get back here. We gotta go soon.
You sure?
If this shifts, we're done.
This shifts, we'll get out of here. Debris.
Watch these trees coming down to our left. I don't want them to come on top of us.
That's going good, buddy.
This is the best tornado video of my life. It's gonna miss us. It's gonna miss us. It's gonna miss us, but damn. Look at that thing. Wow. Very large tornado. Very large wedge. Whoa, we got almost 2 tornadoes going around each other right now. Violent motions. Violent motions. I just took out something.